Hey folks, it's been a pretty quiet day on radar today. Just this last hour or so, we've seen some showers pop up northern part of the valley, then the one right down there, just to the south, kind of southwest of Mission, moving slowly to the north. The lightning has gone away. That's about it, but see another one developing right behind that in Mexico, west side of Reynosa, moving northward. So spotty stuff will continue this evening. There's another little batch of rain up in northern Hidalgo County from Lynn San Manuel northward. And then the counties north of the valley, all under flash flood watch until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. It includes basically from here to Laredo to Corpus Christi, a little north of that, and then back down into Kennedy County. So the potential for some big time rainfall, that's where the biggest rain is most likely, but we're probably going to see our fair share with this as well. Bigger picture shows stuff breaking out across parts of Texas. A little thin line here. That's an outflow boundary. Went through San Antonio a little while ago. The front and the cooler temperatures still kind of lurking back to the north of that. Some big time rainfall east of San Antonio on I-10. Schulenburg under a flood advisory right now. That whole area, Columbus in East Texas or Southeast Texas, already dealing with some big time rainfall. You notice it's not real widespread yet. The stuff kind of firing up out ahead of the front. Behind the front, temperatures are cooling off. Take a look at the readings right now. 57 in Abilene, but still 80 in Austin, 68 in Dallas, still 79 in Houston, only 54 degrees in Odessa right now. That thin line we're seeing on radar is this outflow boundary, a rain racing out ahead of the actual front. The front then follows and drops the temperatures. Not only is that front going to push into the area tonight, we're going to see a pretty good little trough in the upper atmosphere make its way in this region, a kind of dip in the jet stream. And with that, you're adding cooler temperatures aloft, instability, and reasons for showers and thunderstorms to fire up. Now, where that front stalls, that's where stuff is most likely. That's that area just to the north of the valley, but some of it moving in here as well. Front's still going to be in the neighborhood on Friday, but probably just to our north. And with that, thunderstorms continue to develop. Saturday, I think we still see rain even though the front's off the map. And even on Sunday, I think there's potential for some showers around the area once again. Here's a close-up of the valley as that front settles southward. Thunderstorms to the north of us at 2 a.m. from Corpus Christi back to south of Laredo. By 8 a.m., we're looking at rain in a lot of the valley, especially the west. That's where the heaviest rain is most likely. And then we still see clouds all day tomorrow. Again, we may get a break from the rain for a time, but the showers and thunderstorms will likely flare up again on Friday, scattered stuff around, and again on Saturday as well. I think once the doors open to the rain, it's going to stick with us for a few days. 70, 60, 60 are your rain chances, and I think the heaviest rain likely tomorrow, but still I think Friday and Saturday a good chance as well. Temperature-wise, we go 86, 88, 88, nowhere near the records, and a little bit below the normal, which is 90. Quick check of the tropics. That's that system off the East Coast moving away and almost no chance of it developing now. This system's probably going to develop, but there's nothing in the circle right now, and it's going to stay in the Atlantic. And Kirk going to move off to the west. These are the models, and it's likely to get into the Caribbean, run into some shear, and that'll be the end of Kirk. So not too much concern about that, at least not right now. But he has regenerated after falling apart for a day or two. He's now back. At the coast, winds out of the southeast, then turning to the northeast, 10 to 15, a moderate chop. Showers and thunderstorms, maybe not an all-day rain, but scattered stuff around the area tomorrow. So scattered showers and storms late tonight. We're seeing isolated stuff now. It'll become more numerous probably later on after midnight. Then tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms in spots, heavy rain a possibility. Most areas will get something. I think you're looking at maybe half an inch to an inch in most places. Isolated locations could see more than that. Next half hour, we're going to talk more about what we expect rainfall-wise out of this. Take a look at the next 7 days. Temperatures do get back to normal by early next week, but the chance of showers never really goes away. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.